ITC has been at the forefront of sustainability reporting for the past 12 years now. And in fact, we had decided that we would measure our performance on various indicators of the triple bottom line indices. As part of that, obviously, human rights plays a very important role in the social part of the triple bottom line reporting. Human rights is at the forefront of our sustainability reporting, is not because it is prompted by the reporting per se, but it emerged as a business imperative for two reasons. One is that in a developing country like ours, where there are huge institutional voids that need to be filled up, that need to be created, it is not possible for government alone to be able to fulfill all these voids that exist, and therefore a broader alliance is called for, where governments, corporates, unions, NGOs work together to achieve this kind of goal. And therefore, it was in this context of institutional void, it is very important for businesses to work with their extended supply chain to ensure that the necessary kind of operational excellence that we expect in our own operation exists there also. So, it was for both reasons, for reasons of reputation and reasons of ensuring that we get the right kind of quality in our products and services, that we do really invest a lot in our supply chain partners.